Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best smart irrigation controllers on the market, the Rachio 3. This device isn't just smart. It's redefining how you manage your lawn's watering schedule with its advanced features and seamless integration. Let's jump right in. The Rachio 3 is more than just a sprinkler controller. It's your personal lawn care assistant. Packed with innovative features like automated scheduling and local weather intelligence. It ensures your lawn gets the right amount of water at the right time, saving you both time and money. With patented technology, the Rachio 3 adjusts your watering schedule based on local weather forecasts. It skips unnecessary watering sessions during rain, wind, or freezing conditions, ensuring efficient water use. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, installation is a breeze. You can replace your existing controller in 30 minutes or less, without any special tools required. Manage your sprinkler system from anywhere using the intuitive Rachio app. Whether you're at home or away, you can adjust schedules, monitor water usage, and even receive alerts right on your smartphone. If you're looking to upgrade your lawn care routine with a smart sprinkler system that's easy to install, saves water, and gives you full control from your smartphone, the Rachio 3 is the clear choice. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, it's no wonder why it's highly recommended by both homeowners and tech enthusiasts alike. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Until next time, happy watering with your Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller.